Good morning, students, and welcome back to our online class of computer science. Children, we have started chapter 2. The name of the chapter is Propositional Logic and Hardware. Children, last class I have discussed about logic gate. There I have told you that logic gate are the combination of 0 and 1. These are these are the logic gates which are used to place electronic components. Okay, where electronic component will be placed, how the data will be flowed, these things are decided by logic gates. You can see logic gate is of three different type: basic, advanced and universal. In the previous class I have explained you about basic logic gate. I have shown you what is AND gate, what is OR gate, what is NOT gate. In these gates, I will explain you their truth table, that is various combination of zeros and ones, various possibilities of output when input is either on or off. This part I have shown you for AND, OR as well as NOT. Then children, even the symbols, with the help of that, how to draw a logic circuit diagram, that part also we have covered in our previous topic. So I hope up to this much you all have understood and there is no doubt. Children, it's very simple. Logic gates are of three different types: basic, advanced, universals. Basic, three types: AND, OR, NOT. AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. So children, it's very simple. Logic gate, three different type: basic, advanced and universal. Basic, without this we cannot go for advanced either for universal. We need that. Basic is required. So in basic, children, I have already taught you there are three different types: AND, OR, NOT. Where OR is what? Parallel. AND, series. NOT, inverter. So these three, how to create a truth table, what will be the possibilities to get the outputs when input are on or off, that part we have already done. And even how to utilize the symbols and draw a logic circuit diagram, that also we have done. So once again, I may guess that you people have understood this part. So children, today we'll be moving towards advanced as well as universal part. Okay, so first children, let me explain you the universal part. Okay, so see, what is universal gate? Children, see, last class we have learned about basic gate. Today, first I will explain you universal gate. So first of all, children, what is universal gate? Why the name has been given universal gate? Universal means with the help of this gate we can design any sort of logic circuit diagram. Means any gate can be designed, any circuit diagram can be designed, any electronic component can be placed. So children, that's why its name is universal gate. The question comes, why it has been given a universal gate as a name? Answer is very simple: because with the help of these gates we can design any logic circuit diagram. Any logic circuit diagram can be designed. Okay, we can make the connection series, parallel, both with the help of single one. It's not that both we have to use. As already in the structure I have shown you, universal gate is of two type: NOR gate, NAND gate. But with the help of NOR gate only you can go for series and parallel both, even inverter also. Same way, with the help of NAND gate only you can go for series, parallel and NOT gate. So children, let me explain you how this thing happens, how the truth tables are constructed, how the logic circuit diagram is constructed. So see properly, children. So children, as already we have discussed basic gates, today first of all I am going to explain you universal gate, how they work. Uses and all you understood, I guess. Now see here, I'll divide the screen in two parts. First part I am writing is a NOR gate. Second part is a NAND gate. NAND means NAND gate. Children, OR part already we have done. So this thing we can say it is a combination of NOT plus OR. Same way it is a combination of NOT plus AND. Okay children? So main part is here OR gate. Here also main part is what? AND gate. In OR gate, NOT symbol has been used. OR gate, NOT symbol has been used. Yeah, that means OR is plus, NOT is bar. Here, AND is dot, NOT is bar. So in OR and in AND gate only, we are using a NOT part. Okay children? They are universal because with the help of individual NOT gate, you can go for OR and NOT. All three can be designed. Same way with the help of individual NAND gate, we can go for OR and NOT. Okay, so all the logic circuit diagrams, all the gates can be designed with the help of individually these single gates. That's why they are known as universal gate. Now see children, how the truth tables is designed for NOR gate. Truth table. We have two variable x and y. Output is x plus y because odd is there and not has been used, so as you can see plus above bar has been used, so I use the same part. 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. These are the combinations of propositions. Okay, various propositions I have written like the combination of 0 and 1. Now as far as the logic students, in OR gate what we have learned? OR gate is what? OR means series. No. OR means parallel. Okay. So OR means what? Parallel. This is very simple children. OR means either this or that. Parallel. Okay. And means series. So OR means parallel. So in parallel what is the concept? If any one signal is on, means any one input is on, any one input consists 1, output will definitely get 1. Both is 1, then no problems. But if both the signal is off, we won't get any output. That is the rule. So if you write OR gate, understand properly, if you write OR gate, then the logic was this 0, this all 1. This was the concept of OR gate. But here, I will remove this one. Because in OR gate, what has been implemented? NOT, inverter. That means just opposite. Where all is off, there 1, rest all case 0. Okay, the output will be just opposite of OR gate because inverter NOT has been implemented here. NOT work is only reverse it, opposite it. So children, understood this part? Now let us go for logic circuit diagram. We have two x and y OR gate concept children, but in OR gate what has been used? NOT. So NOT is implemented here as a small circle you have to place. Don't make it dot, okay, too small, and don't make it a big circle also. A little bit, okay, circle. Then just make a line and write here x plus y and give a bar. So this becomes the logic circuit diagram for NOR gate. This clear children, understood what is NOR gate, how it works, how the truth table is designed, how the logic circuit diagram is designed. Now in the same way we will move to NAND gate. As already I have told you, I have written also, you can see here, NOT plus AND. And the symbol NOT is dot and is bar. So truth table, we have x and y, and here we have x dot y, upper bar will be the elements. Now x we have 2 0 2 1, here 0 1 0 1, and here x dot y upper bar. Concept of bar is there. That means again you have to remember the concept of AND gate. So children, AND gate is what? Parallel? No. Parallel was OR gate. Okay, I'm just making you confused. Okay, so that you'll remember my last video. Last video I have already explained you which one is series, which one is parallel, which one is inverter. Again, don't be confused. In a short, remember it. OR is always a parallel, AND is always a series, NOT is always a inverter. Clear, children? So here, AND is what? AND is series. In series, what was the concept? If both input is on, then only output is on. If any of the input is off, output is off. That was the concept. If we go for AND gate, listen children, if you go for AND gate, okay, if you go for AND gate, the output is here 1, rest all case 0. Simple output. If you don't do this one, if any of you have not seen my, not understood this one, then just go and check my previous video where I have already explained this part, AND gate. But here we are using not about the AND. That means when both is on, will get off, rest all case will get on. Just inverter. Inverter work is only like that, children. Electricity is there, inverter off. Electricity off, inverter on. Just opposite. Now see children, logic, circuit, diagram. How the logic circuit diagram is designed in this? We'll take X and Y, two input. Here what we have? AND gate. So here also we have to use a NOT, that means small circle, okay, don't make it dot, again I am saying, don't make it dot or don't make it a big circle, small, okay, just compared to this one. See my structure properly. Then X dot Y bar. Clear, children? So see this one, write down in your copy, understand it, get the difference, okay, between basic gate, universal gate and advanced gate. Okay, after this I'll go to explain you advanced gate. So you people have understood now this one. Now let us move to the next topic, that is advanced gate. So you can see children, now we'll move toward universal gate. Oh sorry, advanced gate. After universal gate, the next part is advanced gate. So in advanced gate, children, we have two gates, XOR and XNOR gate. How they work? Let us see. So children, again I am dividing the screen in two parts. XOR gate, XNOR gate. Here children, X stand for exclusive. Okay, that means it is exclusive OR gate. And here X is exclusive, not, then OR. See, the three different things are added. Here only exclusive plus OR. Okay, so children, we have exclusive OR gate and exclusive NOR gate. The symbols is OR gate, and like this will be there. See, one more part will be there. Here NOT will be also placed. Okay, children, certain rules you have to follow. Rules for XOR I am giving. Okay, so children, remember the rule is what? Odd number of 1 in input gives output 1. So this is the rule, children. Odd number of 1 in the input. You have to check, you have to see odd number of 1. How many 1 is present? If there are odd number of 1, odd means you know, children. Okay, which numbers are known as odd? 0. Odd. No, 0 is even. Okay, so from 1 it starts. So 1, 3, 5, 7, these are all odd numbers. Clear, children? Those are not divisible by 2. So we have to check that. How many 1 is present in my input? So number of odd 1 will give us output as 1. Okay, children? So let us see for truth table. X, Y. Output is X plus Y because odd is there. And exclusive OR, so a circle will be there like this. inside the circle x plus y. Now 00 11 01 01. Rule, you have to remember odd number of 1. How many 1 is here? How many 1 in first case? No 1. That means 0. 0 is what? Order even. Even. So 0. How many 1? Single 1. 1 is what? Odd. 1. Odd. How many 1? 2. That is even. So 0. Clear, students? See properly. The rule is very simple. Odd number of 1, produce the output 1. Rest all case, output will be 0. Clear, students? Input part, the condition, the number of zeros and 1 are same for all the gates. Okay? So now see for truth logic circuit diagrams. Logic circuit diagram. How many input we have? 2. X and Y. Like this, OR gate. One more if you place, it becomes exclusive OR gate. Very simple. Just remember the OR and NOT gate. Rest other gates will be made automatically. They are just interrelated from there. Okay, children. So now in the same way, if we move this side, exclusive NOT gate is XNOR. X for exclusive, N for not, OR is OR gate. Let us see. Rule is very simple. X or N has been added. Not. That means same part. Here odd number of 1 input is 1. Here just opposite. Rule is what? Even number of 1 in input gives output 1. Just opposite. The rule is just opposite. So the truth table. If you see the truth table, it is x, y, then x plus y, not. This part is inside the circle. Exclusive OR, but not has been used. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, children? Now, even number of 1. Down, 2 are there. Here 1 is there, here 1 is there, here 0 is there, that means this part. Understood, children? Now, this part is clear up to this much. Now see, children. Logic, circuit, diagram. We have X and Y. One NOT has been added. So this is the concept of advanced gate, which is again of two different type, XOR, XNOR. XOR means exclusive OR gate. Rule you have to remember, children. Rule is very important. If anytime you forget the rule, you cannot do. Rule is what? Here odd number of 1, here even number of 1. Both are related to output. Output will be what, children? 1. So see this properly. Write down your copy. Understand it. So children, now hope you people have understood what is logic gate. Okay, what are the uses of logic gates? Basically to place electronic components. 3 different type: basic, advanced, universal. Basic is the important one. Without that we cannot do any more. But universal, children, with this gate we can design any gates, no standard. Okay, whereas advanced we use on certain places, like wherever critical situations is there, wherever multiple component like multiple diode, multiple transistors, but their work is different. Such situation we use advanced gate. Is this clear, children?